ina-appreciate ko yung product ng Avenion. Kaya mo talaga may pang Avenion kahit one session, wala.
Ibang laser yung ginamit.
Oo, ibang laser, te. Yung sa yung sa bata. Pero yun nga, as promised, we will be back for the other video na i-shoot namin ang aming reaction video. If you haven't watched, please do i-link out namin dyan sa description or kung saan man na pwede nyong makita. At kung ito man ang una nyong nakitang video, but we will now proceed to watching yung, I think, more of interview, parang very the making ng atake or just a simple banter. Kasi of course, we'd love to see them on screen, but we'd also love to see them banter. This happens to be two of our most favorite groups that ever existed, not just in the sphere of K-pop, but pop genre itself. So yun na. So this is with, again, Dara and our SB19, Mahalima.
Yeah, and once again, my name is Matt para sa mga napadpad dito sa channel na to.
And this is Harry.
And I am Ganda.
Let's proceed.
My name is Blake.
Hello everyone, my name is Ken.
I'm Josh. I'm Justin. I'm Pablo. I'm Stel. Let's go! Well, syempre, working with Dara herself, diba? Oh, sobrang isa si Miss Dara talaga.
Grabe naman si Dara. Parang forever young talaga ang ating
The Avril Lavigne.
The Avril Lavigne. Umamin kayo, nung panahon nung SCQ, sino binoto nyo? Si Hero o siya o si Neri Naig or si ano?
Si Jeneline Mercado.
Ano ba yan?
Si GM Sevilla.
Ikaw ang binoto mo. Ako si Dara talaga binoto ko sa text vote.
Ako
alam mo isa si DN Sevilla.
Si Yasmin Curry.
Of course.
Dream Believe Survive yun.
Dream Believe Survive.
Pero hindi ako nanonood.
Pero totoo, ikaw si Dara, na-appreciate mo siya at naging idol mo siya as the Group 21. Ako kasi talaga, nasundan ko talaga yung pinaka-umpisa. I mean, yung audition pa niya.
Wala kasi kaming sinihan dun. Yung mga Hero Angeles movie nila.
Walang sinihan sa Mindoro noon. Talaga, totoo naman.
Oo, wala nga.
Okay.
Sa mga, alam mo yun, sa entertainment industry na talagang napanood namin nung mga medyo bata-bata pa kami.
Kahit saan siya magpunta, kilala pa rin siya. Kasi ganun kalaki yung mark na nilive niya. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, pero sa buong mundo. And we are very honored na parang kami yung mga collab niya.
So sabihin, 21 is one who paved the way for K-pop world domination.
Totoo.
Hindi walang grupo makakapag-claim nun.
Even the leading group right now, which is BTS, mataas ang respeto nila sa 21.
Saka Blackpink.
True.
May mga video clips talaga.
Pero ang leading naman kasi talaga, I mean, worldwide ngayon is BTS. Kumbaga, they know that
they know their history.
Oo, kumbaga, ito yung tipong masasabi mo talaga kung wala ang 21 noon, I don't think we'd have the K-pop we have right now.
Yes. At saka pati, 21 was touring the world already, even the United States, no? Diba?
Plus, the only girl group to have ever won Album of the Year in the Mama Awards.
Yup. At, syempre, ang pinakamahalaga kasi talaga is yung respect and yung universal adoration sa grupong 21.
Plus, we know how SB19 pays respect. And we've seen it with Ate Reg.
Yes.
Ano yun? Bakit may thumbs up?
Bakit may thumbs up? Ano napindot ko?
Alam mo, kinakabahan.
Kinakabahan ako. Parang thumbs up na daw yung filter natin.
Enough na hindi na kaya ng filter.
Hindi na kaya.
Baka kailangan na palitan yung filter.
Natatakot.
Sige na, go na.
Baka tama na yan. May ganun na pala.
Working with her in person.
I think we'll sound good together because we have the similar style of music. Like hip-hop, R&B, EDM. So it's totally different from the OPM I knew before. It's P-pop plus K-pop. So I think it's really gonna be cool.
In or out.
Miss Dara kasi diba binansagan siya krung. Eh yung grupo rin namin sobrang parang makulit din, diba? Parang kuwela din. Very kami.
Meron kaming sariling zone. Yun.
I think bagay na bagay kami. It's gonna be really fun and another swag music coming soon. Huh?
So yung preparation na ginawa namin is syempre naligo,
Feeling ko walang bagay si
nag-toothbrush,
Dara like me.
nagbabango, umisisig.
I rest well because important yung condition ng body ko before the recording and before the shoot. And I was really busy and tired for the past few days, no sleep, so many shoots. So yesterday, I decided to stay in hotel. I slept well, eat well, and I had vitamins.
Si Papa yung pinaghandaan kasi isa siya sa nag-produce nung song. So, ayun, marami siyang ginawa. Bukod sa pagpa-practice namin, pakikinig. So, ayun. Ano ba yung mga pinagawa mo pa?
Actually, kinakabahan talaga ako kasi si Miss Dara yung i-record namin ni Josue. Sabi ko, si Miss Dara, talagang in person siya yung i-record namin. So, kinakabahan kami. I-prepare mo yan, yung steps, pag pinakalimutan ka. Yun yung mga bagay na kailangan kapag nandito kami, seamless na wala kami problemahin. Kompleto yung prepare.
I think, nakakatuwa lang na parang, it is mutual respect on the side of Dara before the recording, nagpahinga siya, rest well para in top condition, and on the producer side, which is the Rad Kids, Pablo and Kuya Josue, did their due diligence then. Wow. So, what more can you ask for? Kadalasan kasi sa collaboration, alam mo naman, di ba, sometimes talaga may give and take when it comes to parang, okay.
Ako gusto ko sana magkaroon ng part dito na interview. I don't know kung na-interview si Kuya Josue. Kasi,
baka nagkakape pa siya.
Kuya Josue writes music for SB19. So, I think he understands very well yung market ng P-pop right now. Pero gusto ko makita yung take ni Kuya Josue sa K-pop. Kumbaga, how is he in terms of the genre? Kumbaga,
knowing na sobrang hard hip-hop.
Hard hip-hop?
Yung sabi ko nga sa inyo, iba yung fee at letter F sa Mindoro.
Pero yun nga, kumbaga, kasi Kuya Josue is very, kumbaga mga sulat ni Kuya Josue ay very hard.
Yeah.
Parang hugot na hugot. K-pop, on the other hand, is not very hard like that. Kumbaga, it could be a diss track, pero it's very more pop sounding, mga dancey-dancey. Ano kaya si Kuya Josue pagdating doon? But that's just wishful thinking. Interviewin natin siya pagpunta natin doon. Charet!
Ang sa ganun, kumbaga parang very professional din in front of Miss Dara na talaga namang, di ba? Dapat
prepared.
Prepared din.
Nung high school ako,
you think the same.
Ako sa Bukid. Yun yung mga tayo na sobrang sikat talaga nila. I think they had their peak at that time. So sobrang sikat talaga. Pag tumutugtog yung kanta nila, piyesa namin sa sayaw namin. Yung fire nila na kanta. So, ayan, it's so unbelievable.
Fire!
Feels like a dream.
Crazy.
Talagang yun din yung time kung saan yung mga batang Pilipino parang gusto rin na maging katulad ni Miss Dara. Like maraming dreams din ng mga nasimulan, may mga dreams na nabuo simula nung nakilala siya as member ng 21. Sa Philippines nakilala siya as si Sandara na talagang sobrang lovable niya, sobrang siya yung sweetheart dito ng Pilipinas.
In or out yung pinaka-iconic na
ideas. Kumbaga,
Am I in or out?
I don't know what kind of advice I can give them because they're already a big star. I want to congratulate them for the successful career, and I just want to tell them, enjoy the moment. Kasi you only live once, diba? YOLO!
Siguro yung longevity, yung longevity ng career niya kung paano niya napanatili. Kasi ako, honestly, sinusubaybayan ko pa rin si Miss Dara ngayon. Kayang-kaya niya lumagay kahit sa entertainment pa yun.
Yung mga ganong klase ng tao, parang nilook up ko din na I wanna be like this as an artist na pag titignan ka ng tao, humble naman ito. Without, alam mo yan, yung pagiging genuine mo towards sa mga taong nilook up ka din. So, kami as a beginner dito sa industry, alam natin na hindi kami ganun katagan.
And the acknowledgement of the senior artist.
Hindi ko na talaga alam kung bakit ang kinuwang ambassador ng tourism is yung
ambassador ng tourism.
Kasi si
Jens.
Correct.
Samantalang si Dara, Diyos ko, panay ang pagiging proud niya sa sinigang sa ibang bansa.
Bakit natin tanungin? Charot lang. Anyway.
Oo nga, no.
And ayun, nilook up ko and gaya na sabi ni Pablo, yung pagiging matagal niya, siguro yung patience niya sa mga tao and sa mga nakaka-work.
And since they're in a group, ingit ako because I miss my members too. But now
we miss them too.
I'm a solo artist now. So, I think mas masaya talaga pag nasa grupo kayo. Enjoy the moment.
Matagal!
Oo nga.
Yeah, yun ang pinaka-gusto ko kay Dara na parang may mga Pinoy naku, kilala nyo naman.
Sorry, pa isa pa nga.
May mga artista dito na hanggang ngayon bulol pa din.
True. Mga dito nga na magsipag.
I'm a solo artist now. So, I think mas masaya talaga pag nasa grupo kayo. Enjoy the moment and always be happy and I'll cheer for them.
This is gonna be a very inspirational song, a happy song. Itong kanta na ito magdadala to ng smile sa maraming tao.
Yeah, it did.
Ma-feel nyo rin kung paano ma-starstruck kay Miss Sandara.
Ito na siguro yung isa sa mga biggest collaborations natin ever.
For me, this is also a very inspiring event na talagang nagkaroon kami ng collaboration with her. Hopefully yung sinasabi ng kanta talagang ma-feel nila.
Different artists collide. So parang ibang atake ng dalawang artists pag pinagsama. So yan, nung impact.
Ooh, I'm really excited because it's a collaboration between the best P-pop group of this generation plus pambansang krung-krung ng Pilipinas. So it's really something new and it's really different, diba? One of a kind.
But we already watched this.
Teka, sige,
let's finish.
Check kung meron.
Very fun.
Okay.
Gaga, meron!
Yun na nga. So parang ang nangyari pala
Hindi, may part pa.
So parang expectation na natin. Pinanood na kasi natin muna yung MV. So kaya po ni-skip namin. If you haven't watched please do watch in a separate video.
Leave a like if you didn't like
If alam lang po namin, sana pala isang diretso na. Diyos ko po.
Very fun.
Yeah.
Very fun. The boys are really mabait kasi I was also very excited and nervous at the same time because they're very nice and very fun to be with and very talented. So it was really fun.
Nakakaba, knowing na i-record natin siya for today. First time maka-work.
Pero overall, napaka naman yan. Masaya, mabait. Tsaka
Gano'n kaya ilang oras na makatagal yung
recording, ano?
whole day.
Whole day siguro.
Paparamdam niya na approachable siya.
Tama.
Tapos, nung una nakakaba, nakakahiya. Pero, mas nang ibabaw yung fun sa shoot.
Pero first time ko talaga ma-starstruck ng todo to.
Oo nga, gulat niya ako sa'yo.
Sabi mo na yan.
Hindi, gusto ko lang i-share talaga.
I understand, man.
Parang never ko na-experience yung gano'n.
I understand, man.
Parang hindi ako makatingin, hindi ako makapaniwala. Parang hindi ko siya matingin.
Alam nyo, pack your bags and go!
Tingin ng bag. We'll take your bag and lead.
Sa mata. Kasi kakausapin ko.
Sinusubaybayan mo rin kasi siya.
Parang ano rin pala, medyo kailangan rin palang bantayan si Dara, no?
Te, nasabi ko sa'yo, ikaw babantayan namin, te.
Parang medyo Dara parang ano rin naman pala.
If you don't know, guys,
parang akala ko
si Dara lang naman yung bumasag sa mga nagpapanta sa kay Limin ko. Grabe yung Head and Shoulder commercial na yun.
Hindi. Yung kiss na beer, ilang beses daw yung kiss na yun. Paulit-ulit. Just wanna
yung time na yun, lahat ng babae umiirit talaga kay Limin.
Hindi lang si Limin ko. Marami pa siyang mga
G-Dragon.
Which is hanggang ngayon yung kapatid ko, Delulu pa rin. Umaasa pa din na totoo ang Daragon. Ewan ko na sa inyo.
Umiyak nga kay Katniel.
Ngayon nga umiyak na. Wait.
Let's be sensitive.
Let's be sensitive at this time. Let's pray for the broken soul and broken hearts.
Alam mo, ipagdadasal ko si umamin ka na lang sa bias mo.
Sige naman, ano na tayo. Katniel, kaya nyo yan. Charis.
Challenging part? Wala naman, pero since shy type ako and sabi nila they're starstruck to me. So parang medyo we were shy. Everything was really good.
Actually, wala. Kasi nagtatagalog si Ate Dara.
That's it.
Yun yung isang maganda. Kasi parang isipin mo, Korean siya, pero walang language barrier. Tsaka pagdating niya, alam niya na agad yung kanta. Pinractice niya. So,
Professional ang ating Dara.
Chorus we had together. Last one, Pablo suggested na let's just make it makulit, like not singing. We're just having fun, like or something like that. Oh, I was so surprised kasi ginagawa rin namin yun nung 21 sa recording booth. Let's just have fun.
Gabi.
So we had the same style.
Oh my God!
Knowing that to anyone
Parang gusto ko na rin ma-involve si Mother CL.
True. And my mother, Minzy.
At syempre, si Park Bo. Parang kompleto na talaga.
Meron daw.
Hindi
tayo sure.
Hindi. Malabo na.
Malabo na.
Very, very malabo yan. It's too far-fetched.
But, we can always
They can always have one performance. Pero hindi talaga yung mag-aalala.
Yung biglang lalabas na lang sila sa Coachella, di ba? Nangyari naman.
Shit.
Sure yung makasama na
Sure yung makasama si Miss Dara. Yung whole experience na unang meet-up natin, nakipag-usap tayo, hanggang sa pumunta tayo dun sa recording booth.
They have vlog.
Sabay-sabay tayo
They
kumanta. And
vlog
pa tayo kumilo sa
another vlog
tayo, 5 lang.
Yeah,
Parang ganyan tayo.
Sabi ko nga nung una, nahiya ako magkulit. Sabi niya, huwag ka mahiya, dapat makulit ka para masaya. Sabi niya.
Sana makikita ko yung performance namin soon, somewhere. Sana makakaroon ng chance to have a concert together.
Alright, and that concludes all the questions.
Tapos doon nila ganapin yung reunion ng 21. Oh my God! The nostalgia of all the nostalgia. Pero yun, congratulations, Acer, and thank you very much, Ninang Acer, for this very, very special Christmas holiday, kung ano mang gift. Collaboration na sobrang our hearts are overjoyed as 18 and Blackjack, na talagang ang Blackjack ang kinalakihan natin. I think we can all agree with that. And 18 na ngayon ang tinataguyod nating fandom. So, grabe, our hearts are overjoyed just seeing this. Napakasaya ng puso.
Thank you for making it happen.
Yes.
And thank you for making it happen in a time where
we needed the
most.
Acer, gusto mong itodo, sa next concert mo. Ilabas mo na rin
I
talaga
think
yung...
dapat. Kaya lang it so happened the boys were in US.
Huh?
Diba yung AcerCon?
Wala sila doon.
Truth.
At saka,
kasi doon in-announce ni Dara na meron silang collab.
Kaya hindi sila nakapag-concert together.
Yeah.
Diba?
Pero anything can happen. Si Ate Regine nga biglang bumubulaga sa Araneta Si Dara pa kaya. And what stops us from the three of them popping out?
Truth.
Diba? Alam mo, Mama, reunion nila.
Oo, biglang,
Baba na yung CL of 21. Tapos biglang umaangat.
Menache Chalaga.
Diba? Sige na, nalalaman yung bading kami. Anyway, yan sa Major Sugar Spice.
Wait, if you want to support, alam mo naman, kailangan natin ng mga Christmas ninangs.
Kailangan po namin mamasko sa isang napakahalagang misyon. Tinatawagan po namin Kapungka. Tinatawagan namin ang aming mga ninang, mga mayora. Ngayon po ang pinakamahalagang season ng pagbibigay.
Oo, kasi hindi po kami mawawalan ng prangkisa, pero mawawalan naman ho kami ng ano.
Yeah. Mawawalan po kami ng pang-edit. At lahat ng videos namin ay makaka-copyright. Pero
kasi baka from Kapungka ay makapun talaga.
So how do we support our channel?
Please support our channel by
Super Thanks, Gcash, PayPal, coffee.
Ano nangyari? Hindi na tinapos.
Ito rin. Pinasa sa akin yung
biglang
inagawan.
Kainis. Because I want to take your load.
We'll take your bags and lead
and go.
Ito na your Sugar Spice said, sometimes nice. My name is Blake.
And this is Kuya Matt. Goodbye. See you again sa aming live video. Live streaming Bye!